Alright guys, today we're going to take some mulch out of a topsoil bed. We are currently picking up the dump trailer, but we're going to be using this baby right here. But we have to fit it in the dump trailer, so we're going to put it in the dump trailer, bring it over there, and then get started. James is going to come help me today, but I think he's going to be a little bit late, so I'm just hooking this thing up. We're going to head over, so yeah. Alright, she is in. Didn't film the load up, it was kind of boring. We'll film the when I get it out, but all right, let's head to the job. Alright guys, got the tractor out. As you can see, basically this whole bed along here, along this fence on the road, we're gonna take the tractor and take all the mulch and stuff out of there and put it in the back of the trailer, and it's pretty much what we're doing today. Alright guys, so Lou's on his way with the truck and trailer, I think. He's already dropped the tractor off at the job, but we need to get diesel, so I'm gonna grab a diesel can from the barn here, and we'll load it up in the truck when he gets here and fill the tractor up. Alright guys, we're in the truck right now with Lou. We got the gas tank and the dump trailer. We're headed to the gas station. We're gonna get some diesel, and then we're headed out to the job and we're gonna get her done. Alright guys, so we're here on the job. This is the machine we're gonna be using, Kabota BX2380. This is like the Lamborghini of lawn tractors. It's got a front loader, it's hydrostatic, so it's easy to run. It should be perfect for this job. So we gotta take all this mulch out, we gotta get all these rocks out, then we gotta peel up the weed mat that's underneath it, and then we're just gonna rake it all out nice. So if they're gonna seed it, they can seed it, and if they're gonna put another bed in, they can put another bed in. Hey guys, it's going pretty good. Can't get big buckets, the machine doesn't do that good. She's small, but we're doing the best we can, so. I'm gonna pull this stuff back away from the fence while he's dumping it in the trailer. Oh gosh. Okay, got it. We shouldn't have to turn the crank. Should just go. How in tarnation? That ain't going nowhere. Alright guys, so we're in the truck right now. Dump trailer's full. We're gonna go dump it, and then we're gonna get some lunch, and then we'll head back to the job. Alright guys, so we're here at the dump site. We're gonna lift this up. I was caught, that's why I wasn't lifting up. And we're gonna dump it. Keep coming. A little bit more. Yep.
I'm almost out of battery on this thing.
Really? Your batteries are definitely shot. Ooh. What do you want to do?
I'm gonna have to come forward.
Yeah. A little bit more. Keep going. A little bit more. Just a little bit. Yep. It was a good. It was a good. Went well. We did not get stuck. Alright guys, so we just finished. We got all the mulch taken out along with all of the weed mat. So we're gonna go dump this load of mulch and then we're gonna come back and grab the weed mat and the tractor and then we'll be done for today. It's coming now.
What?
It's coming now, keep going. A little bit more. Yup.
Look straight back. Put it on back. Is it high gear? Going you? No, it's too low here. Throttle it up and we stop.
I told you, I called it.
You're like,
I am ultimately wise.
The thing is, I was gonna rev it up. I didn't want to go too fast because if I went too fast, it's
Well, you could just hit it, tell the pedal a little bit. You and your pedal.
I know. If we flipped, if I.
Oh yeah. This
Oh. Alright guys, that is a wrap on this. I think we're gonna bring this baby back. James is doing a wrap-up video, and I think we're in.
Alright guys, so job's all done. We got all the mulch removed. It's all raked out and it's looking good. All we gotta do is bring the tractor back and bring the dump trailer back and then bring the pickup truck back and then we're done for tonight. So overall, it took us a little longer than we thought, but there was a lot more mulch than we initially thought. So that's all I got for today. If you did enjoy this video though, please like and subscribe and I'll see y'all next time.